Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and efficiently complete the battery replacement. Start by powering down your HP 13A laptop completely. Unplug the power adapter and remove any connected devices. This step is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to your laptop. Next, flip the laptop over to access the battery compartment. Locate the battery release latch. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are typically 2 screws located near the hinge area. Set these screws aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. If it's stuck, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. With the battery cover removed, you'll see the battery secured in place. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it out from the motherboard. This is the connection that powers your laptop. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can have peace of mind. Now, you can remove the old battery from its compartment by lifting it out carefully. Take a moment to clean the interior of the battery compartment with a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This is an important step as it helps maintain the laptop's performance and longevity. Take your new battery and place it in the compartment. Ensure the connector aligns properly with the motherboard connection. Press down firmly to secure it in place. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to make any trips. Reconnect the battery connector by pressing it firmly into place. Once connected, it's time to replace the battery cover. Align it with the hinges and press down until it snaps into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened properly but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. After the battery cover is secured, flip the laptop back over and plug in the power adapter. Power on the laptop to check if it recognizes the new battery. You should see a battery icon appear in the taskbar indicating that it's charging. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 13A laptop. If you run into any issues or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved without any surprises. Taking care of your laptop is important for its performance and longevity. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can save you from bigger problems down the road. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.